Someone's gotta change.
We're in Josh's truck now. He's grabbing something quick from his house, and then he's already told us we're using 120-pound test today. We're going 19 miles offshore, 25-mile run total. Like nothing either of us have ever done before. It's gonna be an epic day.
Cobia. Nice. Alright, let's play them out for a little bit. This is gonna be green. He's gonna beat the hell out of them. That's a little drag.
This will be my first cobia. Oh, and he's off. Oh. Hey, quick release. Oh.
34 at the end.
34. Man, oh, mahi, big mahi. Oh God.
Let him run, try not to.
Okay. Wow.
Tension
yeah, yeah.
Don't let him go slack, but don't try to force him in.
Yep. Woo-hoo.
That's a nice one. That is a nice one.
That's awesome. I saw him come up just right from below the boat. Wow.
It's not even really an area that we can catch them on.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! Look at that! This thing is beautiful. Look at this beautiful mahi. We saw him cruising after we were doing some bottom fishing. Captain Josh got me on the fish, and then we had a heck of a time trying to get him to come in the boat and visit us, but
no gaff.
No gaff. So this was a net/gill job here, but he's definitely coming home for a meal. And the ANGLR Tour scores its first dolphin. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Josh. Oh man. Yeah. Freaking went to war. Woo. What, did you tighten it down more?
Boys are from up north, they ain't used to tugging on red snapper.
Get over here. Wow.
That's a slap.
Alright, I gotta, here, wait, I'm gonna put this back for now.
Get this huge red snapper. Let's get it back.
There he goes. Yeah.
Woo! Should I loosen the drag a little bit? I guess it doesn't matter.
Gotcha.
Oh my god, this is a big barracuda.
This one's got to count if we at least get it up to the top.
Yeah, if we leader it,
I don't think that I'm gonna. I mean, I'll see what
I'll tail him.
I'm definitely not gonna reach down there and have a visit from the ends.
Can we try and put him in the net?
Yeah,
Okay. Oh, he's going over towards your line. Uh-oh. Look at that flex. Ah. Come on. It's always chaos. I love it. Oh my god. Yes! Yes! Oh my god!
I'm going to the front of the boat real quick. Look at that CUDA!
That's number 7, right?
That's species 7. He's got somebody else's line in his mouth. Out here with Josh, and he's putting me on this monster CUDA. Look at the mouth on this thing. Look at those teeth. This is unreal. My left arm is so tired. Oh my god. All right, we're gonna torpedo this guy back in.
Number 7, buddy.
He netted this fish. He
We're on
netted this fish.
The stinky CUDA.
Stinky CUDA. Oh my god.
Good job, brother.
Woo!
Oh, smell.
Oh man. Oh god.
You need a bath.
I need a bath. I'm shaking right now. Look at my hands. Oh, they're gross too. Oof. All right. Just mono. No steel leader there.
Actually, this is 80. Sorry.
80-pound mono. What would you say?
And
that
look how
CUDA weighed?
short that is. That is a what?
That's a miracle.
12 inch, and it's already frayed from the mahi that we caught earlier. I haven't changed it out. So
And the
two mahi
snapper.
on this. Yep, two
That's what
mahi
I
and a
caught that
snapper.
Mahi and a
Yep.
snapper. And he's, oh my
And a
god.
good old fashioned circle hook. That's
Big boy back in the water. Good peacock here.